how to easily source for more sellers for a particular product when on 1688. So you are in this one. I'm on a sellers page and I want to check for more sellers so that I can get the best price or the best quality of this handbag now. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be my first China importation video for the year. I've officially started, so I thought I should start on a very lighter note. So if you were just about to start China importation through the 1688 platform, or you started maybe last month or last 2 months, this video is for you. So just sit back, relax. I'm going to be showing you some tips and tricks that's going to make this your China importation business, especially when navigating on the 1688 app. It's going to make it seamless and very easy for you as a beginner. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you some tips and tricks so that you will know where to click, where to go, how to go about using the 1688 app. So that being said, let us dive right into the video. If you have not added shipping address to your 1688 account yet, this is how to do it. First of all, click on this profile area, the profile icon on the right hand side. Click on it, then it takes you to your profile area like this. The next thing is to look around here. On the right hand side, you will see this pin location icon. So click on it. Then once it opens, you will see a red button. I already have my address, but there's still a red button below to add a new address. So just click on the red button below to add your address. Then the next thing is for you to copy it and paste it here. Then click on this red Chinese language to automatically fill all these places for you, because if you want to fill it manually, you won't be able to select the province, the area, the local government, or the state in China, the shop number and all that. It will be difficult. That's why it was designed this way, to automatically fill it for you when you paste the Chinese warehouse address here. Then click OK below to save it, and that will be all. So let us move on to the next one. The number 2 tip is how to copy link on 1688. So if you want to copy link, there are 2 ways to do that. Number 1, see the right hand side after the cart icon. The next one is your share icon. Just click on it, then it will bring up the window. Then click here, click on this link icon, and it will copy. Okay, can you see that? Copy to clipboard, so you can now send it to whoever you want to send it to. The second one is to click on the description. Can you see this Chinese language where there is 2023 blah 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 written in Chinese? So just click and hold. Once you click and hold, it will copy immediately, automatically to copy. Can you see that? So that's how to copy. The number 3 tip is how to follow a seller. Yes, on this 1688, you can follow sellers that you like, just like we follow people on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. So to do that, click on the store icon on the left hand side below. Just look below, click on that store icon, then it will take you to the store. Once you enter the supplier store, the next thing is you will see a red Chinese language in circle up. Just look up, you see the red Chinese language. Just click on it. Once you click on it, it will bring up a message that you are now following this seller. I'm going to show you how to locate where you'll be seeing all the sellers you are following. Okay, so this is it. And one thing is that you also get a discount anytime you want to buy from the seller. Number 4, how to know minimum order quantity of a product when you enter a supplier's page like this. Now look at this set of pots now. The minimum order quantity is 10 pieces. How did I know? Just look below the price ranges. You can see the prices. There is 358.52 yuan. There is 10 under it. There's 360 yuan, and there is 10 under it. Then there's 350 yuan, and there is 20 to 29 under it. And there's 340 yuan, and there is 40 greater or lesser than 40 under it. So it means that this one that they are selling for 360 yuan, the minimum order quantity is 10 pieces. That is 10 pieces. Then this other one, 350 yuan, the minimum order quantity is 20 to 39. So if you want to buy it at this rate, at this price, you need to buy up to 20 to 29 pieces. Then the one of 340 yuan is 40 pieces. Okay, so the second way to also know it is to click on order now. Once you click on order now, it takes you to where you place your order. You still see it up. Can you see it? 360 yuan, 10 to 19, 350 yuan, 10 to 39, 340 yuan, 40, greater or lesser than 40. So this is how to do it. The number 5 trick or tip is how to see products you have previously clicked on the app before. Anything you click on, it used to enter one particular place. So let me show you. To do that, click on the profile icon, this head and neck. Just click on it. Then click on this footprint. Can you see the footprint close to the star? Yes, click on it. Once you click on it, you see that all the items you have been clicking on the app since, you see them there. Can you see that, guys? See the pot I clicked, just now. See other things I've clicked. So if you just scroll down, you can see that. If you want to delete, you can also delete them. Number 6, how to save photos and videos. As a beginner, this one is very important, because if you want to send photos and videos to your customer, you don't need to take the screenshots. Just save it, save the original picture and send it to your customer. So to do that, first of all, click on the image on the app. Click on it like this. Then look up. You see the arrow on your right hand side. Just click on the arrow, then click on save. It's two type. If you click on this first Chinese language, you are saving just one picture. But if you click on the next Chinese language that has 6, this one now has 6, it means there are 6 pictures here. So if you click on it, it will save all the 6 at once in your gallery. So the second one is how to save video. So to save a video, it is just the same process as the way you save the picture. So just click on the image, make sure it is playing, then tap on it, then look up, you see that arrow again, then click on it and wait for it to load and save. That's all. Number 7 is how to easily source for more sellers for a particular product when on 1688. So you are this one, I'm on a sellers page and I want to check for more sellers so that I can get the best price or the best quality of this handbag now. So what to do is just to click on the image like this. Once you click on it, look below left hand side, you're going to see a search icon inside box, inside square. Just click on it. So it's going to search it on the 1688 and bring out every other sellers who are selling it. So this way you'll be able to get it more affordable. You see people are selling it lesser than the price you saw before. Can you see now? This person is selling for 26 yuan, 38, 33. This one is 130, like that. So this is how to source for more sellers who are selling one particular product before you now make your choice and place your order. Number 8, how to use AI on 1688. Yes, AI 1688 has AI that you can ask questions. It can even help you to source for products. So look at it. So you access this AI, just click on the profile icon, then it brings you here. See it moving on the screen. Just click on it like this. Once you click on it, it takes you to the page where you can type whatever you want to type. Let's say you want to ask how to locate legit or locate factories. So just type it like this and wait for the AI to answer you, and voila, it will answer you in Chinese language, and then it will bring out all the factories for clothing. If you want to ask again, say show me factory for shoes, factory for this, factory for that, just type it, it will show you. Let's say shoe. Can you see that it has brought out shoe factories. So this is how it works. Any other question you have, you can always ask AI. Number 9, how to delete products from your cart. So whenever you add products to cart, you have a minimum, there's a maximum that you can add to your cart. I think it's about 200 or so. So if your cart is full, you need to delete for you to be able to add more to your cart. So to do that, look up, look on your right hand side, you see black Chinese language there. Just click on this black Chinese language, then select the ones you want to delete, or just delete, click and delete at once. Can you see the delete as shown? So just click, then delete. See, 2 items have been clicked, then you click on it and then delete it. Click on the red one on the right hand side to delete it, and that will be all. Okay, last but not the least, number 10 is how to know the weight of an item before you place an order. So let's say I want to know the weight of this item. First thing first is add it to cart. Okay, so click to just add the size or the color, just add it to cart, then click on your cart. So this is it. I've added it to cart before, so I'm going to -1, then I'm going to select the black one so that I'll check the weight. So you do as if you want to place an order, you want to make payments. So click on the order now button, then it takes you here. Okay, so from here, you see this place where they are charging 5 yuan for delivery fee. So click on the place. Then once it shows this screen, the next thing is when you look on your right hand side on the line where 5 yuan is, you will see red Chinese language with arrow facing up. So click on it. Once you click on it, you will see the weight. So the weight of this shoe now is 0.68 kg. So in case of, because it's not all suppliers that put the weights there, in case you don't see the weight of a product, this is what you should do. Let me click on this product now. Let me add it to cart and see if we can. Okay, it's been added to cart already, so let me select it. Then I'll do as if I want to make payment. Just follow the process again. Then they are charging 6 yuan for delivery, so click on the place, then click on this small arrow on the right hand side. Then you can see that the weight is not there. So in cases where the weight is not shown, just click on the product, just scroll down down to the last. You will now see the product parameters. You see the product information, everything. They'll put the kg in this area where they put all the product information. Just scroll down and you will see it. In case you still don't see it, just chat with the supplier, or you can ask the AI. When you add the product to your cart, then ask AI. AI will ask you to select the product, then AI will tell you the weight of the product. Hope you understand. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. So if you are seeing me for the first time, please subscribe to Chase TV channel if you want to see more of my video on China importation and other content. So if you are just starting out and you don't know what to do, how to go about even downloading the 1688 app, please go to my China importation playlist. You are going to see a lot of videos there on China importation, how to download the app, how to use the app, how to download Alipay, and so much more. So please, one more thing, don't forget to click on the like button if this video was helpful to you. Support me by clicking on the like button, subscribe, drop comment. If you have any question for me, drop them in the comment section. And if you want to have a one-on-one training session with me, you can reach out to me on social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, like that, and then we'll get started from there. So see you in my next video. I have a lot of content for you guys this year, so get ready. Bye.